Good morning, dear students. Welcome again in online classes. We were reading lesson 5. In the last session, in the last class, we read about importance of food, importance of energy, why we need food, who needs food, and 3 meals, and about raw food and cooked food. And in this video, we will read a new topic, sources of food. Sources of food. There are two main sources of food. The first one is plants and the second one is animals. How many sources? Two. There are two main sources of food. The first one is plant and the second one is animals. You can see in this picture also. There are two main sources of foods, plants and animals. What we get from plants? What we get from plants for as a fruit? What we get from plant as a food? Parts of plants that we eat. Which part of a plant? Suppose this is a plant. In a plant, which part you will eat? In a plant, in a full plant, which part is useful for you, which part you will eat? Just see this: roots, stem, leaves, flowers, fruits, vegetable, seeds, pulses. Parts of plants that we eat. In a plant, which part we can eat? In different plants we eat different parts, so which part? Roots, stem, leaves, flowers, fruit, vegetables, seeds, pulses, and many more are there. I have written this much only, many more are there. These parts we get from plants. These parts we get as a food from plants. Clear? Now, we will understand which fruit will come in the roots. You understand that root part you will get from the plant, and root part is root part you can eat also. But in root part, which fruit will come? What will come in the root part? What we will get in the root? Carrot, beetroot, turnip, etc. Many more are there. We get as a root part in a plant carrot, beetroot, turnip, radish, etc. Okay? As a root part we get these plants. Second one, stem. Stem part. What we will get as a stem in the plant? Ginger, onion, potato. This one you can see, ginger, onion is not there, ginger, onion and potato. You will get these part as a stem. We will get these parts are stem part. We get from stem part of a plant. We get these fruits, these food as a from the stem part of a plant. Okay. Third one, leaves. Leaves you know already. So many leaves are there which one we used to eat. Mint, cabbage, curry leaf. I have one example. Curry leaf. You can see this. Curry leaf. Okay. Leaves. We used to eat this, no? Curry leaves. We try to fry some pulses and we can put this curry leaves in vegetable also to make it the tasty food. So leaves part also we can eat. In leaves part what will come? Mint, cabbage, curry leaf, etc. Next, flower. In a plant, flower part we will eat. We can eat flower part also. What will come in a flower part? Cauliflower, broccoli, etc. Many more are there. I have given 2-3 examples only, but more examples are there. Next one, fruit. in a plant, fruit part, you can eat. What will come in a fruit? In fruit it will come grapes, papaya, watermelon, muskmelon, orange, apple, banana, chiku, many are there. Many fruit will come. In a plant, what we will get from the fruit part? So many fruits are there. Okay. The next one is vegetable. In vegetable part, from vegetable, what we will get from the plant? We will get bottle gourd, potato, tomato, and brinjal, and many more things. We will get many more things as a vegetable part from the plant. Next, seeds. Now, seed part is also we can eat. What will come in the seed? Seed, you know, beej. In seed part, many fruits are there, many food are there. We used to eat that. Wheat, rice, corn. I will show one example. You can see what is this. This one is rice. This is the seed part of a plant. This rice is seed part of the plant. In a plant, many parts are there. Roots, stem, leaves, flower, fruit, vegetable, seeds, pulses. Many parts are there in a plant. So, in a plant, this rice is a seed part and we eat also. Next, pulses. Pulses also we get from the plant. Yellow lentils, green lentils, red lentils. I will show one example. See this. This tuar dal, arhar ki dal, yellow lentils, green lentils, red lentils. Many lentils are there, and green gram also. Many examples are there. I have written some only. So you understand parts of a plant that we eat. From the plant, what we will get as a food. We will get these parts from the plants, and we add these fruits, these vegetables, these foods in our meal. This is clear? Okay. Now, the second one is food we get from animals. First we read food we get from the plants. Now the second is food we get from the animals. Food we get from animals. Which food we will get from the animals? These fruits we are getting from the plants. There are two main sources of food. We read already, there are two main sources of food. The first one is plant and the second one is animal. First we read about the plant. These all fruits and vegetables, flowers, seeds, pulses, leaves, stem, everything. This upper side before this line, we get all these from the plants. And these part, the second part is what we will get from animals. We will get from the animals milk product. First, milk product. In milk product, what will come? Milk first, curd, butter, etc. I will show this. Butter. You used to eat this, no? Amul butter. You like this also on the parathas and chapatis, on the bread also. This product made by milk. Milk product. We get these from animals, and this milk we are getting from the cow, no? That means that animal product. So, milk product. In milk product, this will come, curd will come, milk will come, ghee will come. Many are there. The second one is egg. I am vegetarian, that's why. egg, and it is not there. So this one is egg, you know, egg. Honey, honey we get from the animals only. Fish, meat, these all things we get from the animals in our food. So we get our food from plants and animals. We get our food which is giving us energy. We get these food from two things, from two sources. The first source is plants and the second source is animal. From plants we get these fruits, and from animals we get these fruits, these food. Okay. Now, is it clear? I hope it is clear. We get these things from the plants and we get these things from the animals. How many sources are there? How many sources are there? There are two main sources. The first one is plant and the second one is animals. From plants we get many type of seeds, fruits, vegetables, pulses, etc. And from animals we get egg, honey, fish, meat and milk product. Understand? Now, the next question will come. I told I am vegetarian. Then what is vegetarian? What is non-vegetarian? I know you are just curious to know about this. What is vegetarian? Who is vegetarian? A person who eats only grains, fruits, vegetables is called vegetarian. A person who eats only grains means all type of sare anaj, all grains, fruits and vegetable. Any person who eat these things, who is called vegetarian. On the other hand, who is non-vegetarian? Who is non-vegetarian? A person who eats these all things plus as eggs, meat, fish, chicken, these all things is called non-vegetarian. Non-vegetarian person can eat both vegetarian things also and non-vegetarian things also, but a vegetarian person will eat only vegetarian things, not non-vegetarian things. Vegetarian means a person who eats grains, fruit, vegetables and fruits is called vegetarian. And on the other hand, who is a non-vegetarian, a person who eats eggs, meat and chicken and fish is called non-vegetarian. It is clear now who is vegetarian, who is non-vegetarian? Okay. Now our topic is not given, but we will read about healthy food. We are reading about food, so we should know what is the healthy food. We all are reading about food, so we should know. In the first class also I told you what is the healthy food. So today I'll explain but more. What is healthy food? Food, any food. The food which makes our body strong. The food, healthy food. What is healthy food? The food that makes our body strong and which help us to stay healthy, which help us to grow, which help us to stay healthy. That is called healthy food. What is healthy food? Healthy food, that food which help us to which helps our body safe and healthy. Food that makes our body strong and which help us to healthy, that is called healthy food. For healthy in healthy food, what will come? Vegetables, fruits, etc. Many things are there. In healthy food, vegetable, fruits and milk and all the nutrition things all will come. You understand what is healthy food? Same. On the other hand, this is the healthy food. Healthy food gives us what? Gives us energy and keep our body healthy and help us to make us strong. And on the other hand, what is unhealthy? Eating food that is too much salty, too much sweet and oily, spicy. These are unhealthy food. If you are eating too much sugar, too much salt and too much oil, too much spice, so that is the unhealthy food. Okay? Unhealthy food, for example, sweets, burger, pizza, chips, cold drink. These are unhealthy food. It will not give us an power. It will not give us it will not make our body healthy. It will not help us to grow well. It will make some disturbance in our stomach. Sometimes stomach will be unhappy. You will feel pain in your stomach. Sometimes pimples will come outside more if you are eating more burger, pizza and bread. So these are unhealthy food. Healthy food which help us to stay safe, grow and remain healthy. That is healthy food. On the other hand, eating too much sweet, salty, spicy, oily, that is unhealthy food. Okay. So our new topic is in your book, good food habits. Our new topic is good food habits. See, good food habits help us to grow healthy. Here are some ways to stay healthy. I will say some lines how you will stay healthy. The first one, wash your hands before and after your meal. You should wash your hand with the help of soap before and after your food. And second, wash your fruits. If you are going to eat any fruit, suppose you are going to eat this grapes, you should wash these grapes properly, then you will eat whether fruit or whether vegetable. You should wash fruits and vegetable properly before eating. Third, do not buy food from roadside vendors. Those who are standing near roadside, don't purchase any food, not vegetable and fruits, any food, momos, chow mein, burger like this, don't purchase from there. Just go in a better good restaurant, then you will eat there. Next, fourth number, eat in a clean plate at a clean place. You should eat in a clean plate. Your plate should be clean. Whenever you are going for eating, you should clean. You will eat in a clean plate at a clean place also. Next, always eat fresh and healthy food. Always eat fresh. Don't eat stale food. Okay, eat fresh food. Always eat fresh food. Don't eat stale food. Basi khana. Don't eat stale food. Always eat healthy food. Next, you should never waste or throw food. It's very important. You should never waste or throw in the dustbin. You should never do. Okay, you should never waste or throw the food in the dustbin or anywhere. Next, we should also avoid talking or watching television while eating. Whenever you are eating food, whenever you are taking your food, taking your lunch, avoid TV, television and mobile, and talking also. While eating, don't see these things. Just sit properly and finish your meal first. After that, you will see your mobile and television and talk with each other. Okay? While eating, don't talk, don't see television. These are good habits. These are good food habits. You should do this. You should follow these habits. Okay? Now, our next topic is food for food for different ages. Food for different ages. The first age. What will be the first age? Baby. What is good for baby? What will eat baby? Small baby, 1 month, 2 month baby, what he will eat? Grapes? Yes. No. At different ages, people eat different kinds of food. At the different ages, we will eat different kinds of food. The first one is baby. Babies drink milk. Very good. Babies drink milk and eat soft food like Cerelac. Soft food only. Baby is eating soft food and milk only. The second age is children or child. Child and adult. Child and adult means you and us. Growing children and adult should eat all type of food. I told already, in a balanced diet you should eat everything, whatever is served on your plate. You should eat everything. Food such as milk, fruits, vegetable, grains, pulses and meat helps them to stay healthy. So, children and adults should eat different type of foods. They should eat different type of food. The next age is old people. The next one is old people. Old people should eat light and soft food such as boiled rice, soup, porridge and milk for easy digestion. Those who are old in age, your grandfather, your grandmother, those who are very old, they should eat light food. Why light food? Because light food is good for digestion. They should eat soup, porridge, milk because it is easy in digestion. Now, the next one is sick people. What will eat sick? What will eat a sick people? Those who are not good in condition, those who are ill, those who are sick, what they will eat? Sick people should eat food prescribed by the doctor only. Sick people will eat only those food which is prescribed by, which is given, advised by the doctor. Sick people should follow the doctor's advice. So in this we read about healthy food which help us to remain healthy, unhealthy food which is very much sweet and salty and spicy and oily. That is unhealthy. We read about good habits. What are the good habits? Before eating food and after eating food. Food for different ages. In different ages we need different type of foods. For babies is best food is milk, and mother's milk is very best. Next, child and adult, they should eat different type of foods, all type of foods. Old people should eat soft food, milk, porridge, like this. And sick people should eat whatever is prescribed by the doctor. Okay, now we will solve the book exercise of chapter 5. So this is our chapter lesson 5, our food. We had these we read all these topics, and now we will solve this book exercise of lesson 5, page number 28, worksheet. The first one, take the correct answer. Okay, the first meal of the day is, what is the first meal? Breakfast. Very good. So you will tick on the breakfast. Second, cakes and puddings are some special dishes made on which festival we eat cakes? Christmas. Very good. Cakes and puddings are the special dishes made on Christmas. We get cereals, pulses, vegetables and fruits from where we get all these things? Milk, animal or plants. Very good. Plants will be here. Next, a food item that can be eaten raw. Raw food. Which one is the raw food? Potato. We can eat raw potato. Yes. No. Apple. Rice. What will be? Apple. We can't eat potato and rice raw. Next, a milk product among the following is, which one is the milk product? Egg, orange, curd. Which one? Curd. Very good. So you will tick like this in your book. Clear? Now next question. B, fill in the blanks. We eat dash meals in a day. How many meals we eat in a day? 2 or 3? 3. Very good. 3. You will write down 3. One more thing. Whenever you are writing middle of the line, you should use small letter, and whenever you will write starting, then you will fill starting blank, you will write capital letter. Okay. Second one. Dash is a special dish made on Diwali. Which special dish we made on Diwali? Laddu or cake? Which one? Laddu. Very good. Laddu is a special dish made on Diwali. Third, we should wash our dash before eating. What we should wash before eating? Hands or legs? Hands. We should wash our hands before eating. Next, good habits help us to healthy or dull? Good habits help us to grow healthy or dull? Healthy. Good habits help us to grow healthy. Next, we get milk, honey and eggs from the plants or animals? Animals. Very good. Animals will be here. So like this you will fill in the book and fill in the blanks. The next and last question is C. Write T for true and F for false. I hope you understand how you have to fill this T and F in this blank boxes. Now give me the answer. The first one. We eat dinner in the afternoon. We eat dinner in the afternoon. False. What we will eat in the afternoon? Lunch. Very good. This will be false. Next. Tomato and onion can be eaten raw. Tomato and onion can be eaten raw or no? What will be? Right, because you can eat in both condition, so it will be true. Next, we should not eat stale food. We should eat fresh food. No, we should not eat stale food. So it will be true or false? This is true. Next, we should waste or throw food. We should waste or throw food. No, so this is the false. So F. We get food from plants and animals. From where we will get the food? Plants and animals. Both sources are there. We get food and food from plants and animal. There are two main sources. Which one? Plants and animals. So we get this food. What will be? True. So this one will be true. So like this you will fill in the blank, in true false, write T and F in this boxes. So this first, second and third exercise is complete of this chapter. Now the question answer you will do from the school website. After that, in the new class we will start lesson 6 and the lesson name is water for life. In this chapter, in lesson 5, we read about the food, and in this chapter we will read about the water. Okay, understand? Thank you class. Bye bye.